Do you wake up feeling like you haven't slept at all? You have had your coffee, you have done your workout, but the moment you step back into your house, you feel heavy. Most people think it's just stress or getting old, but the unfiltered truth, your house is literally leaking your energy. You are not just living in a home, you are living in a giant battery, and right now it's short circuiting. Today, we are going to find out exactly what's draining you and how to fix it in 30 seconds. The blue light ghost, the bedroom. Let's talk about your bedroom. It's uh, it's supposed to be a sanctuary, right? But for many of you, it's a tech lab. If your head is facing north while you sleep, your body's internal compass is fighting the earth magnetic field all night. Science calls it magnetic interference. I call it a recipe for a headache. And that mirror facing your bed, every time you move in your sleep, your brain's survival instinct catches that reflection. It stays on high alert, thinking there is a second person in the room. You are not just sleeping, you are just on standby. Get that mirror covered and watch your energy double. And the next one is the clutter heart attack. The clutter in your house. Ever heard of energy stagnation? Look at that one corner in your house where you have piled up old boxes, broken chargers, and clothes you don't wear. And in Vastu, we call this a Rahu trap. In modern psychology, it's called visual noise. Every time your eye catches that mess, your brain releases a tiny bit of cortisol, that the stress hormone. Multiply that by 10 times a day, and no wonder you are exhausted. If the energy can't move through your house, it can't move through you. The next one is the 3M mystery, the northeast zone. Why do you feel anxious at night? Check your northeast corner right now. If there is a heavy cupboard or a toilet there, you are blocking the brain of your home. This is the zone of clarity. When it is blocked, your thoughts get heavy. You start overthinking about money, about your job, about your past. A simple fix is move the weight. Let that corner breathe. Add a small plant or just keep it empty. It's like giving your house a shot of oxygen. And the next one is the 30-second energy reset. The remedy, actually. Here is my unfiltered secret to stop the drain instantly. Grab a ball of sea salt, rock salt actually. Place it in the four corner of your living room for 24 hours. Salt has a unique crystalline structure that literally absorbs the electromagnetic fog and negative vibes. After 24 hours, flush it away. It's like hitting refresh on your home's operating system. So the conclusion is, your home should be your fuel station, not your graveyard. Start treating your space with respect, and your body will thank you. Which corner of your house feels the heaviest to you? Comment below, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. I'll and also I'll tell you which element you need to fix. Comment below. Don't forget to like this if you're tired of being tired. Subscribe for more unfiltered wisdom. I am Jatin, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.